Welcome to our channel where we help you make informed decisions before making a purchase. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryer products in the market. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Gourmia air fryer oven has a 30% larger basket compared to the air fryer, allowing you to cook whole meals in one go. Air fryer has a 4-quart basket which can cook a family of 2 to 4 people. Gourmia air fryer oven uses a fat removal technology that can remove up to 90% of fat through the cooking process, while air fryer uses 85% less oil, resulting in healthier meals. Both products offer healthier alternatives to traditional frying methods. Gourmia air fryer oven has 1-to-1 touch digital presets for various cooking options, such as French fries, wings, seafood, bake, roast, and more. Air fryer has 9 preset modes including fries, chicken, veggies, bacon, etc. Both products allow customizing time and temperature settings for personalized cooking. Both products offer a comprehensive warranty. Gourmia air fryer oven includes a 1-year warranty, while air fryer comes with a 24 months warranty and lifetime customer service. Air fryer has 1550W high power and 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology, allowing 30% faster cooking compared to other brands. Gourmia air fryer oven also offers quick cooking but not mentioned specifically. Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $92, whereas air fryer is priced at $79. Both products deliver value and quality within their respective prices. That's all for today's comparison between Gourmia air fryer oven and air fryer. Both products have their unique features and benefits, so it's up to you to decide which best suits your needs. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.